and this is Defect Dojo portal. Check if you have access to both. Yeah. What you can do after this, Katie, you can ask Daniel to provide you access to that. He'll make sure to add you to these members. This is the organization project members, and then you'll have access to that. So inside this, so let me just walk you through what we have done. This is a repo, and inside this repo, we have created a pipeline. Do you know what Defect
Defect
Dojo
Dojo
is?
is.
Uh, De facto is like a monitoring tool for the vulnerability assessment or tracking, security scanning. Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah,
so
so
we
we
have
have
different
different
monitoring
monitoring
tools,
tools,
right?
right?
Sneak,
Sneak,
Trimi,
Trimi,
Clear
Clear
Scanner,
Scanner,
SBOM,
SBOM,
and
and
all
all
other
other
things.
things.
Mm-hmm.
So
So
Defect
Defect
Dojo
Dojo
lets
lets
you
you
upload
upload
all
all
those
those
reports
reports
at
at
the
the
same
same
time,
time,
Mm-hmm.
at
at
the
the
same
same
place,
place,
and
and
it
it
lets
lets
you
you m-
track
track
those,
those,
and
and
like so
so
you
you
can
can
know
know
which
which
defect
defect
is
is
resolved,
resolved,
which
which
defect
defect
is
is
in
in
progress,
progress,
stuff
stuff
like
like
that.
that.
Mm-hmm.
So
So
once
once
you
you
open
open
Defect
Defect
Dojo,
Dojo,
you
you
land
land
you
you
land
land
at
at
the
the
home
home
page.
page.
Okay.
So you
You
can
can
record
record
it
it
if
if
you
you
want.
want.
Yeah, yeah, I'm recording right now. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah,
I
I
think
think
yeah.
yeah.
And
And
to
to
access
access
Defect
Defect
Dojo,
Dojo,
you
you
also
also
need
need
to
to
connect
connect
to
to
this
this
Global
Global
Protect.
Protect.
Okay.
If
If
you're
you're
not
not
at
at
office,
office,
you
you
need
need
to
to
connect
connect
to
to
this
this
Global
Global
Protect.
Protect.
Yeah, I have this. That's why I'm unable to connect. Like, actually, it's connected right now. Global
Uh,
Protect.
Yeah.
yeah.
Then
Then
you
you
might
might
not
not
have
have
access.
access.
You'll have to
Yes.
ask
Yes.
Daniel. He'll provide you.
Daniel or Dinesh? Dinesh.
Uh,
Daniel,
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 Daniel.
Daniel
Daniel,
P. Daniel
Daniel
PK.
PK.
Daniel PK. Yeah. Can you share me the ID of?
Yeah,
He's
he's
the
the
one
one
who
who
is
is
in
in
the
the
group
group
who
who
is
is
asking
asking
us
us
you
you
for
for
the
the
PT,
PT,
right?
right?
Daniel
Daniel
PK.
PK.
Good.
Okay. Okay. Sure. Sure. Okay. Daniel PK. Yeah. Yeah.
I
Yeah.
see. So,
I will. I will inform him and get the access.
Yeah.
yeah.
Then I will get back to you. Yeah. Sure. Thank.
And
Okay. Once you
once you
connect
connect
to
to
this,
this,
Mm-hmm.
it
it
takes
takes
a
a
bit
bit
of
of
time
time
to
to
connect.
connect.
That
That
So, Dennis, I just want to know, like, you're from Pune,
yeah,
yeah,
I'm
I'm
from
from
Pune.
Pune.
so you work for office or like there is a hybrid?
I mean,
I
I was
was
in
in
a
a
project,
project,
I
I
was
was
working
working
from
from
home
home
itself
itself
since
since
last
last
2
2
years.
years.
Okay.
But I
But I
put
put
down
down
papers,
papers,
so
so
that's
that's
why
why
I'm
I'm
giving
giving
you
you
KT.
KT.
Friday
Friday
is
is
my
my
last
last
working
working
day.
day.
So you are doing the in-house projects or like,
No,
No,
I
I
had
had
a
a
project.
project.
It
It
was
was
a
a
UK
UK
project,
project.
so I
So I
was
was
working
working
with
with
them.
them.
okay. So
Yeah.
how long you, so yeah, so how long did you stay in the Explio?
I
I
think
think
I'll
I'll
be
be
completing
completing
18,
18,
sorry,
sorry, three,
3
3
months
months
at
at
the
the
end
end
of
of
this
this
July.
July.
3 years,
3 years,
sorry,
sorry,
not
not
3
3
months,
months,
3
3
years.
years.
Oh, nice. So actually, where are you from?
I'm
I'm
from
from
Maharashtra
Maharashtra
itself,
itself,
Mm-hmm.
and
and
yeah, my base
base
location
location
is
is
in
in
Pune,
Pune,
but
but
I
I
was
was
doing
doing
work
work
from
from
home.
home.
Oh, nice. So yeah, good. So where you reside at your home, like in a Thane, Mumbai, Bandra,
No, not in the urban area. More like from a village side. It's in Latur district.
Latur district. Okay.
Yeah, I don't know if you have heard of it. It's
Yeah.
small.
Actually, I'm from UP. That's why.
Yeah. I mean, I gathered that you mentioned that you're from UP, so that's why I didn't think that you would know where Latur is. People in Maharashtra don't know
But
where Latur is.
yeah,
So yeah.
actually, I'm from last 4 year. I'm doing my job is in Mumbai, so that's why.
Mhm.
Yeah,
Yeah,
I
I
mean,
mean,
people
people
generally
generally
know
know
Mumbai,
Mumbai,
Pune,
Pune,
those
those
areas.
areas. So
Yeah, I have to explore more cities.
there's
Nothing
nothing
really
really
to
to
explore
explore
in
in
Latur.
Latur.
It's a
It's a
small
small
city.
city.
Small
Small
city,
city,
you'll
you'll
get
get
bored
bored
there.
there.
It's
I,
okay.
I,
Like you are from
I
Latur district, so it's nice to discuss with you. Yeah. So when did you? So this Friday is your last working day, right?
Yeah.
yeah.
Nice. So did you get any offer or like you're planning to?
I
I
mean,
mean,
right
right
now
now
I'm
like
I
I
have
have
some
some
L2,
L2,
L3
L3
rounds
rounds
scheduled
scheduled
up,
up,
and
and
I'm looking
looking
for
for
offers
offers
right
right
now.
now.
This
This
is
is
taking
taking
so
so
much
much
time
time
to
to
like
what's
what's around
around
this
this
side
side
can't
can't
be
be
reached.
reached.
You
You
want me
want
to?
me to?
So actually I this you are the first person that like I am connecting with you. Like this is
Uh-huh.
I'm just like around from 10 months ago I just joined the Explio.
Mm-hmm.
So I at the client location FSS, and its PO is ended from the last month. So I'm just two last 2 weeks I'm just remotely supporting to the clients. So I just want to
Mm-hmm.
know like, so this is the client related scanning client dojo, or the in-house Explio have this?
This
This
is
is
as
as
of
of
now
now
in
in
house,
house,
and
and
this
like
once
once
this
this
is
is
put
put
into
into
their
their
internal
internal
infrastructure,
infrastructure,
right?
right?
Mhm.
They'll
They'll
propose
propose
this
this
to
to
client,
client,
and
and
then
then
if
if
client
client
agrees,
agrees,
then
then
it
it
should
should
be
be
implemented
implemented
on
on
client
client
infra.
infra.
Okay,
Yeah.
This
This
is
is sort
sort
of
of
like
like
a
a
POC,
POC
proof
proof
of
of
concept
concept
that
that
can
can
be
be
presented
presented
to
to
the
the
client.
client.
okay, got it.
I'm
I'm
not
not
sure
sure
what
what
exactly.
exactly.
Let me
Let me
just
just
get
get
that,
that,
like
like
this
this
one.
one.
So client they are looking for the Pune location, right? The client they are looking for demos purpose.
About
About
that,
that,
I
I
have
have
no
no
idea
idea
which
which
location
location
they're
they're
looking
looking
for.
for.
But
But
just
Can you inform to Daniel PK, because because I
yeah,
don't know like other than this like how many platform I have need access uh, to get all the KT.
yeah, sure,
sure,
sure.
sure.
So you are looking for the Maharashtra job location or like somewhere else?
Mostly
Mostly
in
in
Maharashtra,
Maharashtra,
Pune
Pune
itself.
itself.
Oh, nice. Currently, my location is Mumbai. Let's see, like
Uh-huh.
they are giving me which location for next
Okay.
project, the Mumbai location or the Pune one.
That I mean that shouldn't matter even in like clients. Most of the time they do give you work from home.
Hmm.
So yeah, my client was in UK. I never went to office in 2 years.
Good to hear. That's the thing that
Yeah,
I want.
yeah. I never really, and since it was in UK, the client did not really care if I came to office or not. So I was just working from home.
Yeah, nice.
Okay,
Okay,
so
so
till
till
I
I
think
think
there
there
is
is
all
all
yet.
yet.
I
I
think
think
they
they
will
will
reach
reach
out
out
to.
to.
There
There
is
is
a
a
guy
guy
called
called
Vijay
Vijay
Davalan.
Tavalan.
This
This
Mhm.
guy,
guy,
he
he
manages
manages
the
the
like infrastructure
infrastructure
for
for
us.
us.
So
So
they'll
they'll
reach
reach
out
out
to
to
him
him,
and
and
he'll
he'll
resolve
resolve
that
that
for
for
us.
us.
But
But
I'll
I'll
tell
tell
you
you
what
what
exactly
exactly
we
we
are
are
doing,
doing,
right?
right?
So
So
this
this
is
is
a
a
pipeline,
pipeline,
POC
POC
pipeline,
pipeline,
defective
defective
pipeline.
pipeline.
Now
Now
assume
assume
that
that
you
you
have
have
code,
code,
any
any
application
application
code
code
that
that
is
is
in
in
a
a
repo.
repo.
Then
Then
what
what
you
you
do?
do?
Uh, let's let's go here.
You
You run
run
the
the
like
like
you
you
build
build
the
the
application,
application,
right?
right?
And
And
then
then
you
you
scan
scan
the
the
code
code
for
for
different
different
kinds
kind
of
of
vulnerabilities.
vulnerabilities.
So
So
you
you
could
could
use
use
Triviscan,
Triviscan,
you
you
could
could
use
use
Clear Scanner
Clearscanner
Scan,
Scan,
Stages.
you
you
could
could
use
use
SBOM,
SBOM,
uh,
like it could be coverage, line coverage, or anything. You just anything, right? And you
Okay.
create reports out of it. So Defect Dojo lets you combine all those reports together and gives you a consolidated view of what exactly that you're looking at. And by it's like do you know Azure boards, right? Or Jira, how you
Yes.
can track the work items, like what's been done, what's not done. It's sort of like that provides same functionality but for different kinds of vulnerabilities.
Okay, so
Yeah.
which kind of like scanning did you perform using Defect Dojo, and which the standards or benchmarking you are following? You have to focus on this to get
Ye-
the create the report.
Yeah,
you don't perform scanning with Defect Dojo. You just upload your reports to Defect Dojo. Defect Dojo doesn't perform any scanning on its own.
Okay.
It's like a aggregator of different scans. It lets you create, like sort of like dashboards for different scans, like Grafana or dashboard. It itself doesn't perform scanning.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
So it.
So
Hmm.
yeah. So for that, right? This is a pipeline that I have written. It's very simple pipeline actually. Nothing
Yeah.
tedious or anything.
Triggers,
It's a trigger.
pools,
Yeah. So just put
connected to.
trigger on the branch. This is my branch, Defect Dojo POC, and pool, yes. This is a self-hosted pool. Initially, we were using a Microsoft-hosted Ubuntu agent, but what happens since that Microsoft-hosted agent is in a different network and our Defect Dojo server is in a different private network, they won't be able to communicate with each other. And if we want them to communicate with each other, then we have to do a long process, right? Like like opening up ports, managing firewalls, security groups. It's a long process. So rather than that, what you can do, you can create your own self-hosted agent, and on that agent, you can run your Azure pipeline agent.
So
So
yeah, you
both
created this pool agent, or
no
still
Vijay,
it
Vijay,
is
Vijay.
which?
So any infrastructure related requirement, right? We reach out to Vijay,
Hmm.
and he gets that done. Even this Defect Dojo server, it was created and configured by Vijay.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. And so if they are in the same network, they can communicate with each other, and you will be able to upload your reports from this agent to that. That's simple. Then these are the variable groups
Hmm.
that we are using. So if you let me show you. If you go here, task groups. No, sorry, library. If you go library, yeah, these are the two that we have mentioned over there,
Hmm.
and these contain different kinds of credentials that we need. These are for code,
Hmm.
okay, and this is the one that I have created for Defect Dojo.
Okay.
So it has a Defect Dojo API key, there is an engagement ID, and there is a Defect Dojo URL. The
Hmm.
URL is taken from this. If you see, this is the URL. So I mean, right now Defect Dojo is not loading, so I cannot show you how engagement ID is taken, but I'll tell you what engagement ID exactly is. So inside Defect Dojo, you go and you create sort of like a project, and inside that project you create an engagement. So for this pipeline, I have created an engagement, and that engagement gives you has an ID number. Like,
Okay.
is it first, second, third, fourth, whatever that is, right? So that, since it was the first ID engagement I had created, the ID number is one. And inside Defect Dojo, you can go and create a API key token, which will be used to authenticate with the Defect Dojo, so you can push your report to that. So these three things we need from Defect Dojo's server. I might be able to show you once this starts running. And is that where did it go? Okay, so to pipeline. Good. And this is where we are scanning the code. So we are doing security scanning with Trevi scan. Okay. And so what we are doing inside our agent, we are installing the Trevi. So this is the script. It pulls the Trevi binary from its official GitHub repo and installed it. Once it is installed, it tells us it's installed and gives us its version as well. Then we are running it. We are providing it a path where it is exactly, and then we are running it to scan the file system, and then it will create a report called Trivy report.json. And this is the report that we care about, and we want to upload this report to Defectojo. So now this step, upload to Defectojo, it takes care of that. It basically creates sort of like a response, API post response, right? And it attaches everything. So it tells us, let's say, like the connect time should be at least
Timeout
minimum
is
10,
10 seconds.
yeah, max is timeouts
10,
10,
60 seconds.
60. Defect dojo URL, it's this one,
Server
Defect
ID
dojo
and
URL,
port.
yeah. And also this is very important, this is import scan. There is one more option for re-import scan. So depending on your requirement, right, you can choose between that, but as of now we are using import scan. The authorization, I showed you this one, right?
Hmm. Authorization
API
key.
key. So the authorization is coming from there. Scan type is also important, since we are, like uploading Trivy report, we are putting Trivy scan. It has a wiki or something like that on GitHub. If let's say it's a clear scanner report or this bomb report or some other report, the scan type needs to be changed according to the tool. Okay. Yeah, they will get, it will tell you exact what value to put, but it needs to be changed according to the tool. The engagement ID, I told you one, right? So that comes from the variable group engagement ID. The file, which file we want to upload, this Trivy.report was created here, and we are uploading here. And it will try to upload that, and based on the HTTPS response, if it's 201, it is uploaded successfully. If it's not, then it has failed. And just for, let's say, in case we, like this fails, right, just to have that report and see what we have created, I am also publishing it as a pipeline artifact. So if we go back here, you'll see Defect Dojo. See, it will publish here as this one. This is the Trivy report that we have created. So this is the pipeline artifact, and like if this works, I will show you inside this as well.
I think this port is not working. Might be.
Yeah, this is how it looks. So what Defect Dojo does, instead of looking through all this JSON, it's just tedious, right? So it just pulls the important data. It tells you how many defects are there, how many vulnerabilities are there, how many major, minor. Like it segregates them. It tells you exactly what's the reason. Now, let's say we want to see, right? It shows you in the front end artifact in the file system. There is what for now vulnerability. Something. Let me show you. Where's the message? Where is it? Yeah, I mean, right now I'm not able to find it because it's a pretty big file. See, it has almost 17,000 lines. So what Difficulty does is, like, instead of going through all these files, it just gives you compact view of how many vulnerabilities are there, what's the exact reason for that, and what we need to resolve it. And it also lets you track if the vulnerability, if you let's say you go ahead and resolve it, right? It also lets you track if it's resolved. So if you have 100 vulnerabilities, if you like, let's say, like resolve 35, 34, 36, something like that, then it also tells you which one are resolved, which one are not. So it makes your life easier.
Okay.
So do you have any questions till now? How we are using the pipeline and how we are pushing?
So I just want like how may I see the any one report that you're uploading over the Defect Dojo?
Yeah, I mean, for that, we need for this to work, it's not loading.
Okay.
So I'll reach out to Vijay,
Okay.
and as soon as he resolves that, then I'll show you how exactly it looks inside Defect Dojo.
Yeah, sure. I will also inform him to get the access over my laptop as well. Yep.
Mhm. Yep, sure, boss. Thanks, Deepak.
So this
Have a
is the
great day.
only one defector so you are giving me, Katie, or anything else you?
As of now, Daniel has asked for Defect Dojo,
Okay.
Dojo itself.
Okay.
If he asks for anything else, I'll provide that. Sure.
Yeah, sure, sure. Thank you. Thank you so
Alright.
much.
Thanks. Have a good day. Bye.
Bye bye. Good day. Take care.